Welcome to our TechQu channel. Today we will explain in video about mixing kettle. Main three core section of mixing kettle are: first section, mixing kettle has three shells. The inner shell contains product, the intermediate shell contains water, which we heat and cooled, and the outer shell contains insulation. It reduces heat loss by insulating and also increases the environmental temperatures of your factory. Second section, these mixing kettle are operated by electric sources. Third section, homogenizer for better mixing. In mixing kettle, homogenizer is installed for live batch mixing, which ensures better mixing. It also has a panel in which you can see the temperature and also control the heater and mixer. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos. We will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.